Disabling two-factor authentication on Klarna can help streamline your login process. Follow these steps to turn off the security feature. Step 1. Log into your Klarna account. Visit the Klarna website or open the Klarna app and enter your login credentials to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, locate the account settings option. This is usually found in the menu or profile section of the app or website. Step 3. Find security settings. Within the account settings, look for a section labeled security or privacy. Click on this to access your security options. Step 4. Disable two-factor authentication. In the security settings, find the option for two-factor authentication. There should be a toggle or checkbox that allows you to disable this feature. Select it to turn off two-factor authentication. Step 5. Confirm changes. After disabling the feature, you may be prompted to confirm your decision. Follow any on-screen instructions to finalize the changes and ensure that two-factor authentication is fully disabled. By following these steps, you can successfully disable two-factor authentication on your Klarna account. Always remember to keep your account secure with strong passwords and regular monitoring.